Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we are diving into the analysis of Atliq hardware company, a key player in consumer electronics industry. As a data analyst, my goal today is to help you understand Atliq's strength, weakness, opportunities and threats based on market data, sales insight and strategic insights. So before moving forward, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Krishna Kumar and I'm aspiring data analyst. So you can also check my portfolio here on Code Basics website. Here it is. You can also check out my project work by clicking on this button. Talking about the technical aspect of this project, I have used the Excel file and my SQL file which is provided by the Code Basics. My SQL file contains millions of records. I used Power BI to extract these files and Power Query to transform this data. Again, I loaded this data using Power BI to load the data into Power BI itself to gain to do further analysis. This is the live interactive dashboard that I have made earlier. Before exploring this dashboard, I would like to give quick introduction about the company and its business model. So let's get dive right in. So Atliq Hardware is a prominent manufacturer of computer hardware and peripherals. They are manufacturing keyboard, mouse, laptop, desktops, storage devices like SSD and hard disk drives, and networking devices like Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi routers. So they are conducting their business in various regions like Asia Pacific, North America, Latin America, and European Union, serving market in different countries. Their customers are brick and mortar stores, e-commerce giants like Amazon and Flipkart, and their consumers are the people like us who bought their products whether from the store or from e-commerce giants like Amazon and Flipkart. Their business model is very similar to the companies like HP and Dell, but due to some reason, Atliq faces huge losses in Latin America due to the ineffective data analytics. Earlier, they were using Excel files, but Excel file is not recommended for the data processing and for analysis of this huge amount of data. So they felt the need of investing in the comprehensive data analytics initiative. So my goal today is to help you understand the root cause analysis of these huge losses. So let's explore the Power BI dashboard. So this is the Power BI dashboard. Talking about the technical aspect of this dashboard, I use SQL files, an Excel file that is provided by the code basics itself. I have made this Power BI dashboard using MySQL and Excel files. I used ETL process to extract, transform, and load. I extracted this data from my SQL file and Excel file. After that, I performed data cleaning and transformation using Power Query. Power Query, which is the inbuilt feature of Excel and Power BI. After that, I loaded that transformed data into the Power BI itself to do further analysis. Data modeling is the crucial step in building this Power BI dashboard. So to manage the relationships between each and every table, we have to connect with each other using some common columns. So I have used Snowflake schema. Snowflake schema means we have to connect each and every table in a snowflake pattern, like fact tables in middle and dimension table around it. are connected with common columns in this way. And to build the visuals, I create some key, key measures to make the visuals on the Power BI dashboard, like net sale, net profit percentage, VM net profit percentage, LY. These were the technical aspects of this project. Now let's explore the dashboard. Here it is. This is the home view of Power BI report. We can call it as navigation panel also, because we can navigate to any page by just clicking on that page navigator button. So I have added page navigator here. If you click on this, you will navigate it to that particular page. I have added here information, but you will get all the information about the report here, like files, and if you have any, if you want information, so you can click here on this button, will redirect it to that page. So let's get back to the report. So let's start by visiting to the finance view. This is the consolidated view of all the visuals, where we are getting so much information about the sales of the Atliq hardware. We are getting net sales by region, net sale performance over time, net sale performance by channel and platform, net sales by segment of product, net sales by platform, and I have added a key performance indicators in a card format, where we are getting the net sales, gross margin percentage, net profit percentage. I have added a matrix here to get the profit and loss statement. These are the profit and loss statement for the Atliq hardware. I have added a filter menu here. So it is a pop-up filter menu in which we can choose a year and quarter, or year to date or year to go button. By selecting this, we will get that net sales or all of the profit and loss statement as per the year. I have added a filter by region and market, by stores, by category. And at last, I have added a clear all silencers button. If you click on this, all of this will get unselected. So let's see by the map view. It is giving us net sales by countries. If you hover over this bubble, you will get the market name, which is the India, and net sales by India. So net sales by India is around 37.77 million in 2019. In India is the top market for the Atliq hardware, followed by the USA and South Korea. Again, USA is giving sales of around 16.16 million in 2019. We can also open this map view in focus mode, just like this. So we are getting clear and concise view about the markets and their net sales. Clearing clear It is clear from the bubble size that India is the biggest market for Atliq, followed by the USA and South Korea. Atliq doesn't have their business in Africa and Russia, so they can also think of that in future if they can also open their stores in this region also, drive the sales growth. But today my goal is to find the root cause analysis and to find the root cause for having low sales in the Latin America. So for that we have to select the region Latin America, and by selecting all of these filters we will get all of these values for the Latin America only. In this way, this is the profit and loss statement for Latin America. Net sales by region for the Latin America region. If we see the store wise sales, there is absence of e-commerce player in Colombia region. See, there are no e-commerce player in Colombia region. Atliq, Atliq hardware should have to address this issue. Notebook is the highest sold product in this region. And why the desktop are not selling in this region? Atliq should have to address this issue also. It is clear from the visuals that Atliq is struggling in Latin America with sales of 3.16 million only in 2021. This underperformance highlights weakness in market penetration and brand awareness. Additionally, their reliance on a pack makes them vulnerable to regional slowdowns. Emerging markets like Latin America present untapped opportunities by offering tailored, affordable products and improving distribution. Atliq could grow its presence. Furthermore, product innovation, especially in sustainability and durability, can drive the future growth in developed markets. So the Atlic is facing huge, intense competition in this region. Now we'll explore other views like sales view to explore further and to find the root cause analysis. This is the sales view. Here we will be getting all the sales as per the product or as per the customer. This is the filter menu or filter panel. All the slicers are same. So earlier we selected the 2021 year and the Latin America region. We are getting all the visual as per the Latin America and as per 2021 year. I have added a three visual in a single visual here, which is showcasing a gross margin and total cost of goods sold. COGS means total cost of goods sold, 62.46%, and gross margin is only 37.54% here. I have added a customer performance button. By clicking on this button, we will get the performance as per the customer, like this. Performance as per the customer. Also, I have added a tooltip over here. If we hover on this particular value, we will get the net sales performance over time and gross margin for that particular customer. Also, I have added here a slider variance. So we can also switch to the map view to get the clear and concise net sales. Now let's explore the marketing view. It is clear from the visuals that business laptop and mouse are the most sellable product in this region in Latin America, followed by the personal laptop. Also, the gross margin is increasing and operational expenses are decreasing, which is the good thing. Also, the net profit percentage in a positive. If you see the visual as per the gross margin percentage, keyboards, again mouse and business laptop have a good gross margin percentage as per the net sales also. Now let's explore the supply chain view. Graphics card here have the highest forecast accuracy percentage, followed by the mouse. See, 74.67 percentage, 74.89 percentage forecast accuracy percentage. Here EI means excess inventory and OS means out of stock. Here I applied the conditional formatting. So values in negative is highlighting in red color, and the values which is positive, this is the positive bar, which is highlighted in the green color to make it visually appealing. At this condition, I perform this conditional formatting here. Now explore the executive view. Is the consolidated view in which we are getting all the net sales, top 5 customer, top 5 products, sub-region performance, revenue contribution over years. So Atliq's contribution in 2021 is only 7.6%. I'm sorry, Atliq's contribution in 2021 is 1.1 percentage. If we see in the focus mode, we will get all the values. Yeah, it's 1.1 percentage in 2021. The Atliq's market share is decreasing here in the Latin America. So Atliq should have to address this issue. The top 5 customers of Atliq in Latin America are Amazon, Atliq Store, and Electrical B stores. And the top 5 products are AQ Dice All-in-One, AQ Gen Y, AQ Maxima, AQ Quality, and AQ Trigger. Here only the net sales is only grew by 3.16 million. They have the excess inventory problem also, that net that sales are happening not happening up to the mark. So at least should have to address this issue. So peripherals and accessories is contributing around 51.92% sales, and the retailer here is contributing around 65.4% sales. Atliq should also have to address this issue here. I made a I made some SWOT analysis based on this data. So if you click on this button, you will get all the analysis in a summary way, just like this. Talking about the strength of the Atliq, Atliq have a strong brand presence in the APAC, but weak presence brand recognition in the Latin America. So they should have to address this issue. Atliq have a efficient sales team and wide range of products. Talking about the weakness, Atliq's high production and marketing cost dragging them behind of their competition. Limited online presence also and seasonal sales fluctuations are also one of the root cause of their underperformance in this region. And opportunities are for Atliq is lies in expanding to new markets and developing e-commerce platform in this region. Partnership with the complementary businesses will drive the sales growth in this region. Talking about the threats, increasing competition and economic downturn is highest in this region. So Atliq should have to address this issue. Also, Atliq faces intense competition from the established players like Dell, Innovo, Pacer, and others. Supply chain disruption and geopolitical risks, especially in Latin America, also pose significant threats to their operation and profitability. In summary, I would like to say that Atliq's strength lie in APAC growth and global market presence, but they must address weakness in Latin America and over-reliance on OPEC. Opportunities in product innovation and emerging markets can help them grow further, but threats from competition and supply chain risks remain critical challenges. So, thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this analysis insightful, please let me know, and please give your suggestions or any feedback if you have. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.